will question you, Tommy. Who is the owner of the West Philippine Sea?
Who is the owner of the West Philippines?
Yeah.
I would imagine the Philippines. The country, the Philippines. I would imagine.
The West Philippine Sea, the owner of the West Philippine Sea is the Philippines. Because
thank you for the hat. Yes, please.
because
I see a harsh woman embrace.
you can say of the name. It's called West Philippine Sea.
Egad.
Ay, Tommy. You hear me?
Egad. Tommy is honest.
Oy. The name is West Philippine Sea.
Dude,
So-
fish pan apple.